Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nats and I hope everyone is happy, healthy and doing okay. Alright, in today's video guys, I am doing a requested video. Like I asked on my Instagram stories, and I know my head is cut off. I'm zoomed in a little because you know why in a sec. Alright, so I asked on my Instagram stories for ideas of what kind of videos you guys would like to see. About 5% said a makeup routine, and to be honest, I really don't do that much makeup anymore since being in Japan. I mean, when I was in Jamaica, I was all about the makeup, but since being here, I've toned it down a whole notch. But I still like to put myself together when I am going out some of the time, and some of the time when I'm going to school, I'll do a little something something. So in today's video, I'll be showing you my simple, no makeup, but makeup routine. Oh my god, like I said makeup like 500 times. So basically this video is going to be a makeup video showing you my simplest makeup routine. So makeup that does not really look like makeup on your face. Alright, so without further ado, let's dive in. And by the way guys, my mirror is right here. I am not even sure how this video is going to turn out because I'm positioning you guys like right, not directly in front of me, but to the side, and this camera might fall. Alright, so let's get started, shall we? By the way, we got some shout outs to do. Yeah, let me grab the bag because I totally forgot. Okay, so for today's NATZNIFICENT shout out, before we head into the video, I will do that. I almost forgot again. Alright, so we got somebody, and this week's NATZNIFICENT shout out goes to Keeping Up with Janelle. Big up yourself. Alright, thanks for watching my video, girl. And her comment on my video was the separation of the toilet and bath, and I like that. So this comment was left on my apartment tour video. I'll link it right here for you guys to see. And yeah, Jin, thanks for watching. Big up yourself. Alright guys, so let's get into this makeup routine. So the first thing that I like to do is moisturize my lips, and I do this with a simple chapstick. Alright, just a simple grape flavored chapstick. Moisturize it, get it ready for the lipstick or the whatever. Alright, and the next thing that I like to do right after moisturizing my lips is moisturizing my face. Normally I would use like a lotion to just kind of moisturize the face a little bit, and I use this CeraVe moisturizing cream, just a tad bit, like just a squirt, see. Yep, and I just pat it in. To be honest, I don't know what I'm doing. This is just how I do my thing, and if it's too excess, I rub my hands in, and I just baste it, and I just do this till I'll get my face moist before I actually go in with primer. And if I'm not using lotion, I normally use this thing right here, and it is from the dollar store Daiso in Japan, and it's a makeup base thing with SPF in it. But because I already went in with the lotion, I won't be using this one. Alright, and then my next step after moisturizing would be heading straight into primer to prime my face so that the makeup can go on smoothly. And my husband is creating a disaster in this room. Yes, honey? What do you want? Alright, guys, like I told you, a disaster would happen. Like the camera just fell, like everything. I had to reset you guys up. Anyway, as I was saying, the next step, the next step is for me to prime my face to get it ready for my foundation. And this is the primer that I am using right now. I hope you guys can see this. Yeah, and it's just a primer that I got on Amazon Japan. I am really not fussy about primer, guys, to be honest. And I just do a squirt, pat it in. As I said, I'm not even a makeup artist, so I don't know what I'm doing. But this is just my usual routine. And I know like part of my head is cut off because I keep sitting up, but you know, so after that I just rub it in on my nose, under my eyes, my chin, my forehead. And guys, to be honest, I don't even know what to talk to you guys about while I'm doing this, and that is the exact reason why I could never be a beauty channel, because I think like all the gurus that I watch, they always have something talking about while they're doing their makeup, and I'm just not that person. So I don't know if I could be a beauty makeup channel at all. I mean, I'm no makeup artist, but I mean, you know. Alright, yeah, and I also prime my neck because I put foundation down there, and this thing is obviously wanting to be in the show. Alright guys, so my next step in my makeup routine is really to do eyebrows. And yeah, I know many of us like to do the eyebrows last. I don't do that. I do it first and foremost. So I have a few eyebrow pencils that I got, well, not got, but I bought in Jamaica, and it is just a brown pencil. There you go, just a brown pencil. My eyebrows are in dark brown, and my eyebrows are also microbladed. But guys, if I'm doing makeup, I like to just fill it in a little bit more, not too much. So guys, what have you guys been up to? Like, how are you guys protecting yourselves from the thing? We're going to call the virus the thing because I don't even want to say the word. How are you guys protecting yourself? Are you guys safe? Are you healthy? Are you worried though? I want to know if you guys are worried, because I wasn't worried about it until it got to Jamaica, because here in Japan, me and Adam, we are relatively safe. So we're not going to work right now. But then when it hit Jamaica, I was like, oh my god, all of our family is there. So I was stressed out. Plus, it's almost back to school for us, to be honest. Am I in focus? Oh my god. It's almost back to school for us. So I'm kind of starting the fritting. Alright, so after my eyebrows, guys, I like to go in with my foundation. And frankly, I use two foundations. I use, and both of them are from LA Girl. No, both of them are not from LA Girl. I use Milani, this one here. And this is just something I picked up on beautybay.com. If you guys want makeup, quality makeup, and you're living overseas and you know you cannot get access to these kinds of beauty products in the country that you're living. Example, like myself, I'm living in Japan. Japanese makeup, they don't have my shades and all that stuff, and these are what was sold in my country. I get my makeup products on Beauty Bay, so I will have a link to all of these products in the description below for you guys. All right, but you can search for your makeup needs on beautybay.com. And the other foundation I use is this LA Girl matte foundation. Now, because it is already so dry, I think I'm going to be going with the Milani because it is more of a dewy kind of a finish, and it is foundation and concealer in one. Who does not like that? I still use my concealer though. So with a damp beauty blender, I just do like 1.5 pumps. I think this is finishing. I almost thought they were dried up to how long I haven't used the makeup. Yeah guys, so 1.5 pumps, and I just go in. Oh my god, this is cold. I go in on one side first. Alright, 1/2 of my face first. Right, and I think that has blended well. There you go, there you go, there you go, there you go. All right, difference, yeah? Okay, so guys, if you're not seeing me in focus, the camera is just looking for my face. So that is why it is necessary for me to be facing the lens, because it will look for my face. So if I go like this, it will probably get out of focus because it can't find my face. All right, so next, and oh my god, does your face itch when you're doing your makeup? Like, this is one of the reasons why I stopped. Like, oh my god. All right, so for the next side, I just do like 1 pump, since some of this side already spread to this side. 1 pump, and I just blend it in, and some of it got into my eyebrows, and that's a disaster. And if it's too much, guys, I just spread it down to my neck. I'm gonna have a very nice shower this afternoon to get all of this off. Woo. And you guys know the key to good makeup sitting right on your face is blending, blending, blending. Guys, I also go on the top of my eyelid, cover there with foundation as well, and I'm just trying to pat and not rub my eyebrows because some of the powder, some of the foundation got in there, and this is what we are working with. As you can see, it has a little dewy finish going on. I'm starting to regret putting a pencil in my eyebrows, to be honest. Should I just let it stay? Okay guys, and as I said, this is a simple makeup look for me. Blend out your neck, don't forget your neck, don't forget your neck. So yeah, I'm going all around there. Where am I going today after I do all this makeup? I am not even sure. Best believe I'm going outside to take some pictures for my Instagram, because you know what, why not? All right, and this is me all blended out. To be honest, I don't do anything more, and if this were me going all out, I'd be doing like contouring next and all of that stuff, but I am not going to be doing that. So the next step is to just conceal under my eyebrows. I mean, the foundation did do a pretty good job in limiting some of the bags, but I like to go in with extra I like to go in with a little extra concealer. And oh, I didn't show you guys, I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Warm Honey. I didn't even tell you guys my shade in the foundation. Alright, so in the Milani 2-in-1 foundation, I could never be a beauty channel. You see why? I'm using the 2-in-1 foundation in the color Chestnut. Yeah. And my color in the LA Girl Matte Foundation is Cappuccino. And I think it's a bit dark. So when they're finished, I'll probably get a lighter shade, to be honest. Alright, and I technically do not plaster concealer under my eyes. I don't think that is necessary. I just do a few patches. Bam, 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 bam. Under here, right? Because that's where I'm trying to conceal. I'm not trying to make my already straight nose straighter, okay? And if you know me, you know I have a straight nose. My mom always boasts about my straight nose because she used to do this thing when I was a baby. Like in Jamaica, I'm not sure if in your country your parents do this, but when you're a baby, they tend to straighten your nose by doing like playing with it and pushing it upward. So my mom did that all the time when I was a baby. Alright guys, and before I continue the story, we're just blending with the other side of the beauty blender. So here was for the foundation, and I'm using the top to blend the concealer under my eyes. I gotta look up. So yeah, in my culture they do that a lot to straighten the nose. To straighten the baby's nose, you know. So if you're wondering how come my nose is so straight, I know you guys are probably looking directly at my nose right now. Please don't look in my pictures on Instagram. Yeah, so that is the reason why I have straight nose. I feel like I'm so bad at this. Like, guys, I'm talking about all the things that does not have to do, and this is what the beauty channels have to do, and I just frankly don't know how they do it. Anyway, guys, blending away. I should have listed a few topics for you guys, like to discuss with you guys while I'm doing this, because as I said, I have no idea, and some of the concealer got on my nose, so I don't even know what I'm talking about. But tell me in the comments what kind of videos you would like to see me do. Like, I ask this on my Instagram story all the time. Some persons will answer, some persons ignore it, but that's okay. No pressure. But yeah, as I said, this was one requested video. I'm like, why not? I'm in quarantine, so why not just do it? And I think blending out the concealer takes the most work. But guys, can you see the difference? Huh? I mean, all the bags are not gone, but it's less, right? And I've been looking at my pictures of lately, and my god, do I have eye bags. Alright, so I think that I am relatively pleased with how this has blended out. As I said, my next step after concealer would be to contour my jaw, maybe a little bit on my nose, even though it's already straight, as I have been bragging about, but I won't be doing that because it's a simple makeup look. So my next step, guys, and I'm almost finished, is to just set whatever I have on my face with some setting powder, and the setting powder that I'm using is from Black Opal in the color medium. Yeah, 400 medium. And as I said, I get my products on Beauty Bay, and this might have some excess, so we gotta tap lightly. And normally I'll do this with another sponge, but to be honest, I only damped one sponge, so just a little tip, this much, and we'll go in our area. So under the eyes, okay, I want a little more. Under the eyes, guys, and on like everywhere else that I have had makeup, like everywhere else. Some people only set like under their eyes and wherever they contoured. I set all over my face, but lightly, you know, lightly. And yup, this is really it. I just set, I let it sit in until it has evaporated into my skin. At this time, I like to go in and do like my hair or my lipstick, or I just walk around and scare Adam. But for right now, I'm going to go and wash my hands. Alright, so I'll be back. Alright, so yeah guys, and just because we are just waiting, I'm going to just do a minor eyeshadow, and I am going in with this palette. It's a nude palette Adam got me for Christmas last year, and to be honest, I am not so much of a eyeshadow fan. I don't know how to put eyeshadow on, so I just like squint like this. Alright guys, so the memory card ran out, so I had to change that, and while it was running off, I just went ahead with some very dark eyeshadow, as you can see. And I know I totally failed because I told you guys that we were doing a simple makeup routine, and then I'm here putting on eyeshadow. I don't do eyeshadow on a regular basis. I was just trying to be extra because I thought, you know, I was finishing too quick. But anyway, I went in with some dark eyeshadow and some mascara, and I think we have had the setting powder on my face for a bit, so we're going to just brush away the excess lightly. And wow guys, this is what we have. All right, so I don't know, My nose is running, I don't know why. But I'll put up a before and after. I really don't see a difference, but I'll put up a before and after and you guys can be the judge. So the final step in this makeup routine is to get some color on the lips, and I usually go for a red or a pink or a dark color. Today I am feeling pink, and I will do this one. No, this is a bit dark. Alright, I'll do this one. So these are the pinks. I do the brighter one. I also have an extremely bright pink, but we're not going to be using that. So okay, so let's go in with this one. So let me just line the lips with this liner, and I got this liner on AliExpress, believe it or not. I go in with my V right here, and then the girl that I shouted out in this video, Janelle, she is good at makeup. Like, please tell me in the comments, how do I put lipstick on perfectly? Because to me, I always not have lipstick in here, like in the corner, it's always gone. So I don't know. And there you have it. So from here, guys, it is just a matter of fixing my hair, and then that will be my makeup process. So let me just fix my hair and get back to you guys. All right, yeah, this is the final look. I hope you guys like it. I hope you enjoyed it and probably got some tips from me. I don't know what tip that might have been, because I don't know what I'm doing, but I hope this turned out great and I hope you liked it. If you did though, if you did enjoy our little makeup thing and our little chat, give this video a thumbs up, a very big one. Please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell beside your subscription button to be notified every time NATZNIFICENT posts a video. Is my mic on? Yes. Yeah, so hit the notification bell to get notified every time NATZNIFICENT posts a video, and I will see you in my next video. Alright, bye guys.
So back to what I was saying. Could be us.